So in this tutorial, we learn how to resolve the error path conflicts when you are installing your MySQL. So first you need to trace this path. It's in my C drive under the program data folder, MySQL and MySQL server. Thus, you can see that the selected path already exists. So open your file explorer, open your C drive and search for the program data. Here is mine. If you don't see your program data here, you can simply click view, scroll down to show and click hidden items and you will see your program data. So open your program data folder and search for the MySQL folder. Open it. Delete your MySQL server and also delete the MySQL installer for Windows. Try again. You can cancel. And when you come back to your MySQL installer, click back and click next. So still our problem has not been solved. You can see that we have another error in our C drive, program files, MySQL and my MySQL workbench. So come back to the file explorer under the C drive, program files, open program files, search for the MySQL folder, open it, and delete the MySQL workbench. So when you come back to your MySQL installer, click back, and when you click next, you'll see that our error has been resolved, and now you can continue the process of installing your MySQL in your Windows. So that's how to resolve the path conflict error. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from MyPro Education.